So you didn't call him, but you challenged his right to vote or have his ballot challenged.
No ballot. Mr. Turner, you have been challenged.
Is this an attempt to remove a lot of Democrats, black people from voting?
Get out of my house now.
Voter fraud.
Law enforcement is going to the houses and places of employment and making people afraid to go out and exercise their rights.
Open and clear, we have a visual. Indeed, we have a visual.
And today to come out and not be able to vote, it bothers me to my core.
My life was on the line, you know, I could go to prison. If I just commit suicide, this will be over.
Stop voter fraud.
They raided a voter registration office and tried to send all of these college kids to jail.
Call our voter fraud hotline.
Tonight, Governor Kemp has signed that controversial election bill. He signed Senate Bill 202.
If you go back to the bill signing, you will see Governor Kemp sitting under a painting of a plantation.
Time to do something if we don't get it back in November.
Brian Kemp is preparing to ban books.
Whose vote? My vote, not his.
Are you removing black voters from the voter rolls just so you can win this election?